I'm here with.
Coach Glover.
I'm here with.
Caleb Van Cleef.
Cameron.
I'm here with.
Silas.
And y'all are a part of the Centennial eSports Club, right?
Correct.
Yep.
What game do y'all play?
Car soccer.
Car soccer.
So your first question is, who was the NRG starting roster in Season 7 of RLCS?
Justin, Garrett, G, and Fireburner.
I have no clue. Scratch me on that one.
Tifu. Ninja. I don't know any other gamers.
It is Justin, Garrett G, and Fireburner. Where was the first RLCS local area network tournament?
San Antonio.
Where was the first RLCS LAN?
Where was what?
The first RLCS LAN.
I have no idea.
LA.
That is correct, it's Los Angeles. Where was the first RLCS LAN?
I'm gonna go Los Angeles.
That is correct. Who won the first season of RLCS?
IBP.
That is correct, I Buy Power.
The fire guy.
That is incorrect, it is I Buy Power. Who won the first season of RLCS?
Rock and Sock.
Your next question. Who came fourth in RLCS Season 4?
LEA.
NRG.
Flying Dutchman.
That is incorrect, it is G2.
Who came fourth? Came fourth or came in?
Came in fourth
Fourth.
place.
Oh, okay. Came in fourth place would be Rock and Sock.
That is incorrect, it is G2. Your last question. Who was the first Middle Eastern team to participate in RLCS?
G2.
Where's Middle Eastern?
Saudi Arabia.
SRG.
That is correct. All right, good job.
Dude, I don't watch.
Oh. Wait. SRG.
That is correct. Good job.
Yeah, I know where Saudi Arabia is. First team, the Desert Camels.
No.
You were close though. Camel and Sand, you were kind of close. All right, thank you.
Enjoy.
Have a good rest of your day.